It's a perfect afternoon for football. I know people are excited about Labor Day, but this might be the game of the year right now, Dwayne.
Hey, y'all, hey, playoff mentality. Playoff mentality. We going for first place tonight. Must win.
I need a team that's relentless in four quarters. I need everybody in this room relentless. Let's get the job done. Family on two. 1, 2, 3.
Downfield, trying to find a target, and he does! Deep in Saskatchewan territory. Ball is pulled in by the Stampeders. Baldwin, he gets down to the 5 before he was tackled.
This time to give to Mills, who bounces left, has some room, cuts inside, touchdown, Stampeders!
Harrison back and clobbered. He is clobbered. That was straight through. No stopping, no nothing. There's your ball game. The White Horse is charging into September with a big win over the Saskatchewan Roughriders by a score of 32-15. The final score